Hi guys, do you know about biodiversity?
It is variety of life in ecosystem, including the variety of species, genus, and ecosystem. Ecosystems are the natural capital that provide service then support human well-being in the economy. Mangrove ecosystems are unique habitats that exist at the interaction of land, sea, and atmosphere, providing many ecological benefits. First is protection. Mangrove protect coastline from erosion, storm, and flooding. The second one is carbon sequestration. Mangrove are major carbon sink, storing carbon in marine sedimentation and helping the regulate climate change. The mangrove also provide a natural home for over 1,500 species in the mangrove. Not only that, mangrove also provide food and timber. For the water quality for mangrove is to improve the water quality. That's I think for the ecosystem for the mangrove law.
So there's more to discover about the mangrove. So I would like to justify here about the major threats and how the biodiversity is affected by it. I have 2 points of major threats. The first one is deforestation. The second one is climate change. Why you ask? Because it was a major threat for both flora and fauna. For deforestation, is it affecting the biodiversity by the loss of the fauna and flora habitats? For example, mudskippers and crab mangroves. For the climate change, it will affecting the biodiversity because of the temperature drastically rise.
The third major threat is coastal development. Mangroves are being cleared to make way for industrial projects and agricultural activities that can lead to habitat destruction. Pollution from industrial waste also degrades water quality, harms biodiversity, and disrupting the nutrient cycle. Lastly, lack of effective management and awareness also worsens the situation. Poor policies allow destructive practices that can reduce mangrove biodiversity. Meanwhile, limited public awareness means many people don't realize the ecological and economic value that mangroves provide.
I want to talk about 3 lists that will affect by the trade. Firstly is ecosystem. Flora and fauna are treated with death due to deforestation activity. It is of course because lost habitat and food supply is decreased. Second is for human community. In this case, deforestation activity also threatens human life because deforestation of mangrove swamps affect by river mouths and cause flooding when it rains heavily. Second, then is for species. In this case, I will choose 2 species in the mangrove. Firstly is api-api bulu. In the name scientific is Avicennia lanata. Second is Bakokura, which is Rhizopora mucronata lamb. In this species threatened with extinction due to habitat deforestation.
For the specific ecosystem, I'm gonna focus on the specific species. First species would be the mudskippers. Mudskippers are common in the swamp areas. They are known for their ability to stay out of water for a period of time. While this may seem to not be a problem, but by time, if the surrounding water source is polluted, it will be hard for the fish to live in. The ruddy kingfisher, or its scientific name Helicon coromanada, a bird commonly found in swamp areas, primarily feeds on fish, crab, and insects. While the immediate impact of pollution may not seem obvious, it severely affects the fish living in contaminated waters. Over time, as fish population decline, the kingfisher will lose one of its major food sources, potentially leading to its extinction in the swamp ecosystem.
Next, the long-term impact on mangrove ecosystem if deforestation and climate change are not addressed. Here are key points suitable. First, loss of habitat and species extinction. Breeding and habitat area for species like mangrove crab and mudskippers will be destroyed. It also risks of local extinction for species dependent on mangrove ecosystem. Second is decline in ecosystem service. For carbon storage, loss of mangrove reduce carbon sequestration capacity, accelerating climate change. For water filtration, the loss of mangrove as natural filter increase water pollution, and for nutrient cycling, which supports coastal and marine ecosystems.
The points given by Big C, I also have some points of long-term impacts on mangrove ecosystem if deforestation and climate change are not addressed. My first point is decline in the catch of fishermen. As we know, the main income of fishermen is from marine life. Fish, crabs, and shellfish decrease caused by loss of the mangrove forest area, which is a breeding ground for marine life. If mangroves are cut down, the habitat of marine life will be destroyed. Cutting down mangrove too often has reduced biodiversity and some species, as well as affecting fishery yields. My second point is sediment deposition in river mouth. The destruction of mangrove swamp forest area can affect river mouth areas and result in flooding, especially after heavy rains and during in the tide.
Firstly, biodiversity is important because it can improve the country economy. Since mangrove areas are habitat for many marine animals which has commercial value to breed and grow, they play a role in the fishery sector. This can ensure that development of the fishery sector is not affected and can still be developed. Fishing sector will give benefit to the national economy. The second point is become a tourist destination. If the mangrove ecosystem is destroyed, then beautiful and unique scenery in our country will also decrease. This will cause a decrease in place that can be used as tourist attraction. Therefore, mangrove areas must be protected so the tourist attraction are not destroyed.
Third one is support nutrient cycling and improve water quality. Mangroves serve a critical habitat for many species such as fish, crabs, and birds. This is said because mangroves support nutrient cycling and improve water quality, and at the same time, they serve as breeding and feeding grounds for fish, crabs, and birds.